if you're on Android as well. First, I will just open up Snapchat here. And the next thing that I want to do, at the very top left, you can see there's my profile icon. I will tap on that profile icon. Now, if you scroll down, you can choose a bunch of different options here. You can see my friends and the option to add friends. So we'll tap add friends here, and you can see a bunch of people that have added me, and I can hit view more. And a lot of these people you can see have added me by search or by my username or something like that. You can see all of these people have added me. However, right below that, you can see an option for quick add. So under quick add, it will give you kind of Snapchat's recommendations of who they think you might want to connect with. So they'll give you the option to be able to, you can just tap add next to these various people and we'll add them. However, to see their mutual friends, it is limited in terms of what you can and can't see. So you can see under these people, let's say like for Mary here, it says under their 3+ mutual friends. So if I click on Mary, it won't show me who the mutual friends are, but it will show me all these other suggested friends. And most likely some of these people might be some of those mutual friends or other friends that we might have in common. But it won't show you on their profile who those mutual friends exactly are. It'll just show you that you have, say, 3+ mutual friends. Now, if you go back out of here and you hit on my friends, and let's just tap on one person's profile. Now you can see I'm on this person's profile and I can look through and it gives me all different kinds of options to message this person, interact with this person, but it doesn't show me anything about who their friends are. And that's kind of one of the core things about Snapchat, is that in a lot of ways they protect your privacy and want to keep it hidden. So they don't share who your friends are with other people, and thus you can't really see who those mutual friends are, even though that you've already added them on Snapchat. It's just not really an ability that you have. Really, the only way to do that is to ask that person, hey, pull up your Snapchat, pull up your friends list, and let me look at your friends list and see if there's anybody that is mutual on that friends list. That's really the only way. Otherwise, it's not built into the Snapchat app itself. Hope this helps. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe. Thanks.